Hello everyone, this is a alphabet series reasoning test. You will be given 30 seconds to answer each question. Let's start. The first question is HAM, HEM, HIM, HOM, and the time has begun. So you have to tell what will come next in this series. Try looking for a pattern that completes the series. Last 5 seconds are remaining and time's up. If you see, H and M are common terms in all of these and only the middle terms, that is A in first, E in second, I in third and O in fourth is different. As you know, these are vowels, so the next should be U. So it will be HUM. Now the second question is given. The series is WYB, XUD, YQF. So you have to tell what will come next in this series. Okay, so last 5 seconds are remaining and time's up. Now let's compare the last digit B. After that C is left, then D. After that E is left and F is written. So in the same way we will leave G and write H in the series. Now let us compare the first digit, that is W. After that X, then Y, then comes Z. Now let us compare the middle term. So the first term is Y, after that U. Now we know that there are three letters between U and Y, that is U, V, W, X and then Y. Similarly, now we will compare that between U and Q there are again three alphabets, that are Q, then R, S, T, after that comes U. Similarly, before Q and the alphabet, there should be three alphabets. So the alphabets are N, O, P. So the alphabet that completes the series is M. आप यहाँ पर M लिखेंगे. So the answer is Z, M, H. Now question number 3 is B, A, Z, D, B, Y, F, C, X. So timer has begun. You have to tell what alphabets will complete this series. So it is kind of similar to the last question. Try using the tricks by comparing the digits. Last 5 seconds are remaining and time's up. So again compare the alphabet, that is Z. Before Z comes Y, then before Y comes X. So X से पहले आता है W. So W will be the alphabet. अब हम फर्स्ट डिजिट्स को कंपेयर करेंगे. सो B, वी हैव लेफ्ट C, देन वी हैव रिटर्न D. उसके बाद हमने E को लीव किया है और F लिखा है. F के बाद हम G को लीव करेंगे और H लिखेंगे. Now let us compare middle term. So it is A. After that we have written B. B के बाद हमने लिखा है C. So according to alphabet, the next will be D. So answer is H, D, W. So question number 4 is in front of you. You have to complete this series and your time begins now. In this series, you have to find a pattern that will complete all the blanks. So last 5 seconds are remaining and time's up. So first step to solve this question is you have to count the number of digits including the blank spaces. So there are total 18 digits in this. So 18 is 3 multiplied by 6. So we can break this series in group of 3 and there will be 6 such groups. So let's start grouping them in pairs of 3. So first dash, then second, then pair of 3, again in 3 pair, then again in 3 pair. So now you notice the last pair of 3 is complete and the alphabets are Z, X, Y. So this means that in every group there should be a letter X, Y and Z. So in first we will write X. Now in second we will see Y is missing, so we will write here Y. In the third group we see that X and Y are there but Z is missing, so we will write here Z. In the fourth group we see that X and Z are present but Y is not present, so we will write Y in the fourth group. Now in the fifth group we see that Z and X are present, so Y is missing. We will complete it by writing Y. So in this type of question, always try to group the digits, then find a common pattern and then solve the question. Now let's move to next question. Question number 5 is in front of you. Try solving it. You have 30 seconds time. Firstly, try to group it and then find a common pattern. So, last 5 seconds are remaining and time's up. So again count the number of digits. You will get there are total 15 digits in this. 15 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. So you will group it in groups of 5. आप इस सीरीज को 5 के ग्रुप में बनाओगे. So 5 के टोटल 3 ग्रुप्स बन रहे. अब हम डिजिट्स को कंपेयर करेंगे तो सबसे ज़्यादा डिजिट्स थर्ड ग्रुप में. सो इट इज़ वाई पी जेड वाई. अब सेकंड से कंपेयर करो, पी जेड वाई दोनों में कॉमन है. दैट मीन्स ये सिमिलर पैटर्न को फॉलो कर रहा है. ऑन कंपेयरिंग फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड ग्रुप हमें दिख रहा है वाई ब्लैंक स्पेस में आएगा. सिमिलरली जो हमारा जेड है वो पी और वाई के बीच में आएगा. द कंप्लीट पैटर्न इज एक्स वाई पी जेड वाई. अब जो बचे हुए ब्लैंक स्पेस है हमें उसमें सबसे पहले एक्स फिल करना है, देन वाई. तो ये सेकेंड ग्रुप भी आपका कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ इन थर्ड ग्रुप अगेन यू हैव टू फिल एक्स. सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट सीरीज. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मैनी मीनिंगफुल वर्ड्स can be formed with the help of 4th, 5th, 7th and 13th letter of international such that no letter is repeated. आपको वर्ड इंटरनेशनल की 4th, 5th, 7th और 13th डिजिट को यूज़ करके वर्ड बनाना है और आपको कोई भी लेटर को रिपीट नहीं करना है. आपको बताना है ऐसे कितने वर्ड्स बनेंगे. सो लास्ट 5 seconds आर रिमेनिंग. So firstly, we will write the word international. Now here the fourth digit is E, fifth digit is R, seventh digit is A and the 13th digit is L. So now the letters are E, R, A, L. So the first word that will be formed is E, A, R, L, Earl, then R, E, A, L, real and the last letter is R, A, L, E, rail. So there are total 3 words forming using these digits. Now the 7th question is arrange the following in order of dictionary. आपको words given है, आपको इसको जैसे ये डिक्शनरी में अपेयर होंगे उस फॉर्म में आपको इसको अरेंज करना है. I hope you were able to guess this right. The first word will be scandal, after that scatter, then scenery, then comes school, and the last will be science. So option number A is correct. Now the last question is given. Again you have to arrange these words in alphabetical order, and then the word that will appear in last you have to tick it. So I hope you were able to guess this right. On arranging this, you will get the first is abandon, then accumulate, after that achieve, then acquit, and lastly actuate. So the word actuate comes last. So our option number A is correct.